Chalo, 1 minute. One total time is 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute for this question, and I hope you can complete this question in 1 minute. Okay, come on, kids. 20 more seconds remaining. 20 more seconds. Last 10 seconds remaining. Come on, kids. Be quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quiz finish. Dish. So praises, praises, and praises. Now let's see what is the answer. So my dear students, third multiple of 4. What will be the third multiple of 4? Third multiple of 4, that is 4 multiplied by 3. That is 12 centimeter. Okay. The length is 12 centimeter. Second multiple of 4, that is 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8 centimeter. So I have length is equals to 12 centimeter and breadth is equals to 8 centimeter. Now I have to find the perimeter. Now it is very easy to find the perimeter. That is perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 12 plus 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 20, and my answer would be 40 centimeter. But centimeter was already given, just your answer should be 40 because centimeter was given in the question. Okay, so your answer would be 40. Okay, so I hope my students are very clear with this quiz. Can you type 1? Can you type 1 if you're very clear with this quiz now? No worries if you got wrong answer, no problem. So those who are having doubt, I would request mentors to take the doubt off, my dear students. Let's start with square. Okay. So let's start with square. No need to say sorry in the chat box. Students, no need to say sorry in the chat box if your answer was wrong. No problem. Okay. But learn from your mistake. Now, this is a square. So in a square, what is a square? What is a square? Square is a like four-sided figure in which all the sides are of equal length. For example, if this side is 5 centimeter, this side will also be 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. So in square, all the sides are of equal length. Length, breadth and width all are equal in square. Square में सब क्या होते हैं? Equal होते हैं. All the sides are equal in square. That is a square. Okay. Now, the best example of square is chess. The best example of square is chess. Okay. So this is the best example of square. Okay, where all the sides are equal, right? So could you tell me more examples of square? Could you tell me more examples of square in the chat box? Dice, cube, okay, box, okay. Then cube, okay. Frame, okay. Box, Ludo, tab, then clock, okay. Snake and ladder, okay, that's good. Then speaker, okay. Chess, okay. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. That's good, students. That's good. Now, I hope you're very clear. You know all the examples, right? So basically, now, now a question. Shape of this ground. What is the shape of this ground? It is rectangle or it is square? If it is rectangle, type 1. If it is square, type 2. In the chat box. Come on, kids. If it is rectangle, type 1. If it is square, type 2 in the chat box. The shape of this ground. Football ground. It's a football ground, right? Football stadium, right? Football stadium. So my dear students, dear students, The shape of this ground is rectangle. The shape of this ground is rectangle, not square. Okay? You can see that the shape is rectangular. Now, the formula for area of square. What is the formula for area of square? Students, we know that all the sides are equal, right? In square, all the sides are equal. So the area of square is side multiplied by side. Okay? The area of square is side multiplied by side because all the sides are equal. In a square, all the sides are equal. Therefore, the formula for area of square is side multiplied by side. Kindly note it down in your book. Note it down. Come on. Quickly note this down in your book. The third formula, that is area of square. So this will be the third formula. First is area of rectangle, then perimeter of rectangle, now area of square, that is third formula. Quickly note this down. Come on. If you have written type 1, if you have written, come on kids, type 1 if you have written, noted. Just type 1, don't type 1, so many ones, okay? Just type single one. Yes, Janvi, this chapter is in Olympiad, yes. So I am just checking I am just keeping a watch on the chat box. If I find anybody spamming in the chat box, he or she will be muted. Okay? So I'm just keeping check on the chat box. So now, side of square is given. How to find the area of square, okay? How we have to find the area of square. Side of square is given, side is given, that is 14 meter. Okay? Now I want to find the area of square. So formula for area of square is, what is area of square? Side multiplied by side. That is the length of side, okay? So 14 multiplied by 14. So the answer will be 14 multiplied by 14. My answer will be 196. Okay? 196. But what will be the unit? What will be the unit? There is 196 over here and 196 is also here. What will be the unit of area? The unit of area is square meter, because here it is meter, therefore square meter. So this is not the answer. The correct answer is option C. That is option 3. Okay. Because the unit is square meter. The unit is in square, okay? Or you can also write it like this, meter square. You can also write it like this, meter square. Okay. So are you clear how to find the area of square? Type 1 if you are very clear. Now, can you find the area of square of this one? Can you find the area of square of this one? I'm just watching the chat box. If I find anybody spamming, he or she will be muted throughout the session. So I'm just keeping a watch on the chat box today. Now, I will help you out, okay? So basically area, formula for area is side into side, S into S, okay? So 20 multiplied by 20. What answer will I get? 20 multiplied by 20, what would be my answer? Just tell me in the chat box. Okay? Those who are chatting in the chat, those who are just talking with friends, chatting, they are also muted. Okay? That's good, that's good, that's good. So my answer will be 400. But the unit, you should also say the unit. The unit will be centimeter. Square centimeter. That should be the unit, okay? That is square centimeter. Uh, let's start with quizzes. The first quiz, this is the first quiz. Let's start with some coins. Area of square, formula for area of square. What is the area of square? Dish. Come on, kids. Formula for area of square. Don't make mistakes. Just now we have solved two questions, right? Come on, kids. Come on. Last 10 seconds. Come on, kids. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quiz finish. Dish. So praises now. The formula for area of square, that is side multiplied by side, right? Just now we have seen that, right? Now, find the area of square. Side length is 5 unit. Now the side is 5 units. Okay. You have to find the area of square. You know what is the formula, right? Put that in the formula and tell me the final answer. Okay. Let's begin then. Dish. Come on, kids. Come on. Don't make mistakes. Come on, kids. Come on. This is very simple. Don't make mistakes. Again, some of you are making mistakes. Come on.